the New World Order is experiencing an increasing prevalence and popularity of online education. This trend has been driven by advancements in technology and the widespread availability of the internet. Digital content allows individuals to access educational materials from the comfort of their own homes. It encompasses a variety of formats like video lectures, interactive simulations, online assessments, and demonstration videos, to name a few. The Central Board of Secondary Education, in collaboration with the Commonwealth Educational Media Centre for Asia, humbly contribute educative, engaging, and entertaining digital educational content. The skills-based education is shaped with very fascinating and appealing subjects like fashion studies and tourism, which indeed needs visual references for a clearer learning. Fashion studies content, presented by alumni and educators from top fashion institutes in India, combines history, technical insights, demonstration videos, and garment construction. Loaded with images, videos, assignments, and anecdotes, it creates an engaging learning experience. Tourism content offers a journey in learning soft skills, tourism history, project preparation, tour planning, and more from the travel industry. Filled with images, videos, case studies, and anecdotes, it ensures an immersive and captivating learning experience for students. CBSE and SEMCA collaborated to create a CSI, a digital tool for academic and career skills assessment. Students often face the daunting task of choosing the right academic path, causing stress and confusion. To ease this journey, ACSI helps students identify strengths, interests, and abilities, offering insights into intelligences, personality types, and 21st century skills. This companion aims to make decision-making smoother, empowering every student to confidently choose their own path. The content is delicately crafted by the joint effort of CBSE and SEMCA, with a team of experts in education, web designers, and content creators of national and international repute. SEMCA, the regional center of the Commonwealth of Learning, shoulders the responsibility to promote meaningful, relevant, and appropriate use of media to serve the education and training needs of Commonwealth member states of Asia. The combined vision of CBSE and SEMCA is to create and curate digital educational content that would reach students beyond boundaries, to leverage visual learning, provide accessibility, engage learners, offer flexibility, enable demonstration, have a global reach, and support self-paced learning.